There's nothing quite like the hum of a factory floor. But disruptions clash with the melody of your production process, and the frontline workers are left without efficient ways to identify the root causes of these disruptions, while traditional manufacturing software leaves management struggling to prioritize what actions to take. But L2L is different. L2L harmonizes your entire team. L2L's collaboration, planning, and AI-directed decision-making tools connect every role in your factory. When a machine goes on the fritz, L2L dispatches the most qualified person and equips them with the right tools to work on the issue immediately. When a particular station needs attention, L2L alerts the right operator and captures the solution so automation can recommend quicker fixes in the future. When a machine goes a little out of spec, L2L triggers condition-based maintenance actions, avoiding a costly and time-consuming machine failure. Videos, tips, and AI-powered recommendations empower technicians to always make the right fix. Individualized portals, customized L2L dashboards, and sophisticated work prioritization sync up everyone from the frontline workers to top management. And at the end of the day, shift handoffs are seamless and everything keeps humming along. Get your whole manufacturing process singing with L2L.